Magandang umaga po, ladies and gentlemen. We are live at the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum dito po sa Rizal Memorial Sports Complex sa PSC Administration Building. I'm Radical Log of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, mga taga-PSA. We are back after a 2-week absence or rest to give way to the World Volleyball Men's Championship. And now we are back and we are excited to be with you again. Another interesting topic ang aming ibibigay po sa inyo. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming at Philippine Sports Writers Association Facebook page. Likewise, on a delayed basis on the Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paling sports radio, Judy Caringal po.
Yes, partner. And this morning, pag-uusapan po natin, we have our guest. Honorable gentlemen from the oldest collegiate league, pioneering athletics league sa Pilipinas. At meron po silang napakaganda at mga exciting news para sa atin, no? Lalo na po sa mga aspiring athletes mula sa collegiate league. No? But before that, partner, nais natin pasalamatan natin mga sponsors. On behalf of PSA President Francis Ochoa ng Inquirer, maraming salamat po Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, DLDT, Smart, Arena Plus, and Milo Philippines.
And yes, okay. And yes, to talk about the Grand Old Collegiate League, 101st season na po ang National Collegiate Athletic Association. Wow! So we have here Jose Rizal, University Athletic Moderator or Director, Sir Paul Supan. Hello! And then we have also Emilio Aguinaldo College Vice President for Administration, Dr. Lorenzo. Yes, and later hoping Sir Melchor Divina of the host Mapua will be able to also join us. So without further ado, let's all welcome Sir Paul and of course Dr. Lorenzo. Very pleasant morning. Yes, sir. Welcome po sa ating PSA Forum.
Morning. Good morning. We're happy to be here.
Yes.
Thank you for having us.
Yes. Okay. Initial announcement. How big the 101st season of the NCAA?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Of course, it's NCAA season once again. It will open tomorrow. The show on the ground will be at 12 o'clock. Sa Araneta po ito, Araneta Coliseum. And the first game will be 2:30. It's going to be Mapua versus Lyceum. And the second game will be College of St. Benilde and versus San Beda University. So those are the top 4 teams. Unang araw pa lang. Salvo na agad ng top 4 teams from last season.
Yes, sir. And Sir Lawrence, ano naman po ang mga aabangan tomorrow ng mga, of course, in full force sigurado mga NCAA students? Ano aabangan nila mga paklok for tomorrow's opening? 101st.
Well, basically, syempre, nakita nyo naman, pinaghandaan talaga yung opening ceremony bukas sa Araneta, no? Syempre, yung usual, yung parada ng mga athletes nandoon at may mga surprise, rin kami, no, mga numbers from GMA and our production numbers. So, it's going to be a very exciting opening ceremony for Season 101. We can assure you of that. Masayang-masaya ito bukas.
Saka madali tandaan Season 101 and tomorrow is October 1.
Yeah.
10-1. Diba? That's a secret yung mga, so matatandaan natin, kailan ba nagbukas yung Season 101? October 1. Diba? Things like that. And with this year's theme, Building Greatness, I'm sure for the past 100 years of NCAA, the past 100 years of NCAA, you've seen athletes, student athletes from the member schools for the past 100 years rose to the elite level. So for the next 100 years, with the help of the PSC, in coordination with the PSC and all the member schools, we hope that we can sustain our contribution to the national training pool.
Speaking of national athletes, national training pool, we believe itong most recent na board ninyo, meron kayong eye-opener to help Philippine team. Meron kayong magandang balita because of additional Olympic sports. Can you tell us more about it, together, sir?
Thank you for that question. So, in partnership with the Philippine Sports Commission, we're happy to announce that for season 101, we will be including 4 Olympic events or sports as our demo sports. So, this will be scheduled second semester of this season. So, namely, boxing, gymnastics, golf, and weightlifting. So, this will be in partnership with the PSC, especially kinausap kami ni Chairman Pato at excited na na tulungan natin ang of course ang NCAA at ang PSC magkaroon ng partnership in terms of training and development of these athletes, so grassroots development.
So lahat ng sports na yan, meron ng mga icons yan, ano? Weightlifting, of course, I believe. Gymnastics,
Judo.
Boxing, of course.
Petesio.
Sina Petesio,
Villegas.
sina Paalam,
Villegas.
Yung golf, of course, mga rising stars natin.
Bianca Pagkarana, Dottie Ardina.
So, do we expect na meron pong mag-grace na mga icons natin sa opening ng mga sport na yan para naman mas lalong ma-inspire yung
We
ating
will
mga
give it as a surprise for all of you to stay tuned to the upcoming events na na-mention.
ano?
Okay, so generally, how many